Hey guys, do you ever look for something to make in the cupboard and then find that it looks like this? Nasty potatoes with little things growing out of them. Ugh. Ugh. Well, there's something that you can actually do with these. And I'm gonna show you how you can plant to survive. Save the NHS by planting food that otherwise you would think is bad. This food is still good. I'm gonna plant it. I'm gonna show you how. All right, so I'm gonna fill up this bag with some soil. And I'll show you how that's gonna work. So this is just a normal bag of soil. You've probably seen these at the front of a grocery store. You can actually buy these and then you have soil. So this is not a complex thing. You can easily do this. Some would say this is an essential. Now what have I got here? Golden delicious apples? I don't think so. I'm gonna make some delicious potatoes. First, just gonna cut a couple of little drainage holes at the bottom. Sorry about the sound. All right, so that's gonna allow the water to come out of there and not go rotten in the soil. If it stays wet, that's a problem. All right. Now, this potato, okay, I can't tell if that's on camera there. Okay, yeah, that's good. Now this potato is great because we've got two sections. These here are actually the shoots of the new plant. So this would be like a stem. So that's gonna come up and have leaves coming out of it because a potato is essentially a root. This here is like another stem and they're both trying to go up. One potato, two potato. Now I've got two little plants. So I'm gonna take these and just put those in the soil, add a little bit of water, and it's gonna be ready to go. Okay, so I've got my potato ready to go here. I've got my bag ready to go here. Potato, cut in half. It's got some soil stuck to the bottom there. That's fine. What's important is I've got those little eyes coming out of the top. Those are gonna be the shoots. So I'm gonna put that straight into the soil. Notice I cut those little holes at the bottom just for drainage. Yeah, and I'm just gonna cover that up. So that's covered. That's fine. That's what we want. Okay? A little bit of water on the top. Yeah, no problem. That's what we want, folks. This is how we're gonna stay healthy. Boom! All these crisp wrappers ready to go. Golden delicious apples. Yup. Popcorn potatoes. Yup. Sweet chili potatoes. Yup. Salt and vinegar potatoes. You know it. Check back here in a couple weeks to see my beautiful potato plants.